Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be installing these tilting wall mirrors for the bathroom. The mirror comes with two tilting mounting brackets, one on each side, and that's what it looks like. The bracket also comes with a plastic fastener that holds the mirror in place to the bracket. The plastic fastener goes behind the mirror and holds the mirror in place. We're going to attach the brackets here in a minute, but wanted to show you that the bracket comes with a set screw. The set screw basically holds the bracket to the wall anchor. You basically unscrew the set screw to release the wall anchor. The mirror also comes with plastic hollow wall anchors. We're not going to use these. I'll show you a better option. Also provided was a paper template to help attach the brackets to the wall. It's best to use the template so you can't make any mistakes. Just attach the template to the wall and it will give you the correct spacing. Just a pro tip, if the template doesn't have a center point, what I usually do is bend it in half and mark my own center point on the template. And that mark is going to come in useful when you start planning where you want to hang the mirror. So first I'm going to roughly mark where I want the mirror with blue tape. Again, this is just rough measurements. What I'm doing here is just roughly marking out the left and the right side where I want the brackets to be mounted. And again, we'll get more accuracy when we start using the template, but this is just a rough idea of where you want the brackets. I'm going to center the mirror based on the location of the faucet. Here I'm just making some horizontal marks on the wall. These will come in useful when we attach the paper template to the wall. Now you're ready to attach the template to the wall, and all you got to do is line up the template to the wall markings that you made earlier. So as you can see, I lined up the center line to the center marking on the wall from the template, and then use the horizontal template line to line up with the horizontal line on the wall. And this ensures that your mirror is going to be level and straight. And then now I'm just marking out where the screws are going to go on the template. To attach the mirror brackets to the wall, we'll be using this special wall anchor setting tool. The tool makes the job of attaching hollow wall anchors real easy. So the way it works is we'll be using these special metal hollow wall anchors. They have a screw inside them. Unscrew it a little bit, put it in the gun, and there's a plate in the gun that pulls the screw back, and it mushrooms out behind the drywall and holds it tight to the wall. There is a release trigger in the gun that releases the screw, and that's all there is to it. Once it's held tight onto the wall, you undo the screw and then attach whatever you want to the wall. To get started, I'm going to use a drill bit that's just the right size for the wall anchor, not too big. With the holes drilled, we can slide the wall anchor into the hole. And then we're going to use the hollow wall anchor setting tool to pull the screw back, and as we showed earlier, it's going to mushroom out the anchor behind the drywall and hold it tight and secure. If you're interested, I'll put a link to the wall anchor setting tool as well as the wall anchors that I'm using in the description of the video. Here's another closer look at the process. As you can see, the drywall anchor has a couple of spikes on it on the head, and that's to stop it spinning on the drywall. So basically you slide the screw on the setting tool and then slide the anchor into the wall. Push it in a little bit so the spikes dig in, then pull the trigger, release the screw, and that's all there is to it. With the wall anchors in place, we're ready to attach the mirror brackets to the wall. Just make sure the bracket plate is the right way around. There's a little arrow showing you the up direction. With the one bracket in place, you're ready to do the same thing on the other side. Next, we're going to attach the brackets to the mirror using the plastic fasteners. You don't want to do it with the plastic fasteners, just hand tighten them snug and that should do it. Finally, we're ready to hang the mirror. If you had our measurements correct and we used the template correctly, then everything should fit in nicely. Don't forget to tighten the set screws on both sides. They just have to be snug, don't over tighten them. As always, hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. That will really help us. And as always, please leave a comment. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't like, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.